Blake just ended his Friday shift at the hospital lab and closes it down for the weekend. Time goes by. It's Sunday evening, 11 p.m. A refrigerator unit in Blake's lab is showing signs of malfunction. The samples in the unit run the risk of going to waste. Luckily, the hospital uses Anywhere365 critical dialogues for a fully automated IoT workflow. The fridge unit sends a notification to the facilities management company that it urgently needs maintenance. The IoT device data is captured in the ticket that's automatically created. The newly created ticket triggers an SMS to engineer John, who's doing the weekend shift. The hospital's night shift crew automatically get notified about the situation. John arrives on site and fixes the unit. John closes the ticket and a report is uploaded to the Teams channel of the lab. On Monday morning, Blake reads the report, glad that he could enjoy a peaceful weekend and the samples were not compromised.